That's
Okay.
Ago.
Amen.
Ago.
Amen.
Amen.
Otumfa rally no konchiro konkwana chiro sino monsu.
Yeah.
Asasi yan kuma asasi de dem say die. Abosu nya sumodo ofiti yetimi momuni ba na se wa kure so mi na bro for da na take my kasi di so ba for before. We na create to try for appear so we na mo do see. Na le die en se na ya memem na nyimre e frɛ na bi fa ho die se ya ka fa ho ni ho asɛmti mi se wa so be so wota echi. They say close enya echi jinafo a na etso. They say bia ye wono to a people so na on church yet. Nti momboy na na control na yesaka bibe ambe and on bench raba for my infra my sonti my kutimbu my boni bians ye kwa mo se se kwa mo amunyi fi ho na enye ade a ye be sunti wo so na enye so bo manyen my ntongu as say ye say nyam bi wo so na mo saka nti bibia be adon bench raba ko so eno na ehia ye say manwu ewia manwu anajo Mambu kura na so that be a mamu na mkoto na no won na yenso ya bobu di mbra ya ai we na so moda happy that tabu bia kan ko na for jidade bokina for jidade abo ni bra kura na yeye we kan for kura mu manasi ni na shi na nka ba ko wi na so moda ma san say di pa boni for they say wo ya papa da we nim wo ya boni so da we nim oni pa wo be bi pro bra ko ya yen nka so nti mo boye na awreto immem na afedie animonyam share I say fata nana from Sankara and also in our Modawarma. In the Mochera, I say, Mochera Yamia, Modawarma, Mochera,
yeah.
Right, so that is
so
my
Ɔbenfo, could you, before you start, could you spotlight yourself?
I can.
I know you don't like doing that, but just a rare moment to spotlight yourself.
You know, I usually I like to avoid the spotlight. I don't like to be in the spotlight, you know. And Mama Kala is asking for the link. Let me send that before I share my screen. Okay. All right. So let me go ahead and share my screen. We're going to have a Blacktastic, Black Powerful, Blackerific presentation for y'all. Right. And as you saw on the presentation newsletter that we sent out, this is dealing with Nana Thomas Sankara's Revenge. Great. And you know, a lot of people are like, you know, forgive and forget. No, this is about revenge. And this is something that I put together, like this is a good image. So those who don't know, the one who's on the ground, that is Blaise Compaoré. And he's just got a knockout blow from Ɔbenfo Ibrahim Traoré as Nana Thomas Sankara looks on. And that's what we're going to deal with. So witness the unstoppable rise of Black power as the spirit of Nana Sankara lives on through Ɔbenfo. That is the way you say president. Ɔben translates to nation. Penny, elder, like the elder of the nation, Ibrahim Traoré, in this revolutionary rebirth of Ma'at and justice. So let's go ahead and get straight into it. But you know what? Let me make sure that I share audio. I don't think I did. Let me reshare. Yep, because we do have. Okay. All right, can everyone see my screen? All right, Blacktastic. So as you know, when I give presentations, I like to make them as interactive as possible. So when I say Nana, I want you to say Sankara's Revenge. So Nana.
Sankara's Revenge.
Nana.
Sankara's Revenge.
Nana.
Sankara's Revenge.
And sweet, sweet revenge it is turning out to be. I'm hearing background noise, so when you are not doing the response, you can go on mute. So this is something that I've been working on really since 2016, 2017, the Dikenga theory of Kemetu consciousness. And this is coming from Nkulu Kia Bunseki, Kimbwandine Kia Bunseki Fukiao, the Bantu Congo cosmogram, which defines 4 stages of conception, Yakwa, Yindulwa, birth, Butwa, maturity, Kula, transformation, death, Kwa. And there's a proverb in Kikongo, Tufwanga Musoba, which translates to we are dying to transform. So when we transform or when we pass away, it's just that we are assuming a different form. So that's something that you find all throughout our thought as Black people throughout the world. I'll continue. And but actually, before I do, there's one thing that's very interesting that he has a video that you can find on bbtometv.com, and it's entitled The Ancestors and Our Connectedness to Them, where he actually starts at Luvemba, which is interesting because if you look at classical Kemet, it starts with Atum, and that is the word for the sun at sunset, and Luvemba also represents sunset. So this is where you have the snake with its own tail in its mouth, whereas the beginning is the end, and the end is the beginning. You have Kalunga, which is also the word for the ocean, the all in all. You have Mukula, which is inside of growth. Mu, inside, Kula, growth. Kala is actually my wife, represented by Black, and then also for sunrise. Kunseke is the realm of those who are seen. Kumpemba translates to towards the white clay, and this is the realm of those who are unseen. So you have Kala, Tukula, which is my son Kweku, one of his names, Luvemba, sunset, Musoni, midnight, and then back to Kala. I don't want to gloss over that for anyone who might not be familiar with that. And you had a similar concept in classical Kemet. So in the book of Coming Forth by Day, there's a line that says, I am Khepra in the morning, Ra at noon, and then Atum at midday, at sunset. So here you have Khepri at sunrise, Ra at noon, and then Atum at sunset. And we have the opposite, the reason being, if you look at Congo, right, that's in the southern hemisphere, so they have to look northeast, which is on their right, in order to see the rising of Ra. However, for those who are in the northern hemisphere, and you find this in classical Kemet, Iabti is a word for left and east. And then Aminti is a word for sunset, right? That's the place where the sun sets. So that is the word for right. And then also for west, right? So again, this is the similar concept, but we're using the Bakongo framework in order to move forward with it. And there's another text that was actually introduced to me by Seba Benochi Montgomery, where it says Ra rests as Usir. It is Usir who rests as Ra, and it lets you know that they are on complementary opposite poles of each other. Nana?
Sankara's Revenge.
Sankara's Revenge.
Sankara's Revenge.
Nana?
Sankara's
Sankara's
Revenge.
Revenge.
Sankara's Revenge.
What sweet, sweet revenge is proving to be. So Ra's daily rising and setting mirrors the waxing and waning of Black consciousness. You have also the concept of evolution, hearing feedback from someone who sounds like wind in the background. So independent adaptive strategies under similar pressures. And that is to say, if you have similar creatures that are in the ocean and need to move in the ocean, they will develop a streamlined body. And you can find that for reptiles like ichthyosaurs and crocodiles even. You can find that for fish of various types, including cartilaginous fish like sharks, salmon, any type of fish. And you can also find that for mammals, for example, dolphins, orcas. So if you're in a similar environment, you can come to a similar morphology or shape. Similarly, where it comes to flight, where you have reptiles that have the power of flight, such as pterodactyls. You have, mammals that have the power of flight, such as bats. And then, of course, you have what are sometimes known as avian dinosaurs, birds, who also have the power of flight, that they develop similar structures because they're in a similar context. And what we find is that when we are in similar contexts where we have cracker enemies around us, then we come up with convergent evolution solutions independently of